screenshot a selected area on a Mac, press the keys Shift, Command, and 4 all at the same time. Your cursor will turn into a crosshatch. Click and drag the box around the area you want to screenshot, and then release. Your screenshot will automatically be saved to your desktop. If you want to change this location, press the keys Shift, Command, and 5 at the same time. Your screenshot options will appear. Click the Options drop-down. You can select any of the pre-made locations or click Other Location to select a different folder. From the window that appears, select the location where you'd like your files to save, for example, the picture folder. Click Choose, and your screenshots will now save in that new location.